This dialogue takes place at the family daycare center. A Tagalog-speaking mother wants to place her 4-year-old daughter with a carer in the family daycare center. The placement officer helps her with the information about the childcare scheme. The dialogue begins now.
Magandang umaga. Kailangan ko ng isang mag-aalaga sa aking anak. Malapit na akong mag-umpisa sa aking pag-aaral ng Ingles. Gusto ko sanang kumuha ng mag-aalaga sa kanya habang ako ay nasa paaralan.
Good morning. In this centre, we can organise for your child to be placed with a caregiver in her own home. How old is your child and when do you need this service to commence?
Ang aking anak na babae ay magiging 4 na taong gulang at magsisimula na ang aking pag-aaral sa 10 araw. Ano ang ibig mong sabihin na ipapaalaga mo ang aking anak sa isang tagapag-alaga sa mismong bahay nila? Sila ba ay mapagkakatiwalaan?
Oh, don't worry, madam. These carers have successfully completed childcare courses and they also possess the first aid certificate. They are very cooperative, caring and reliable, I assure you.
Ganun ba? Magkano ang bayad ng serbisyong ito? Ako at ang aking asawa ay hindi nagtratrabaho. Nakakatanggap kami ng suporta. Makakakuha ba kami ng diskwento kapag wala kaming trabaho?
I understand. The full-time fee is $6.10 per hour, including morning tea. However, you may be eligible for a childcare assistance.
Kung ganun, magkano ang babayaran sa 4 na araw para sa 5 oras sa isang araw kasama ang diskwento?
That will be $122 per week. However, with the childcare assistance, you will have to pay only 17%, which makes it $20.75 per week. The rest will be paid by Medicare.
Abot kaya namin yan. Maaari na ba akong magparehistro ngayon?
Luckily, we have one carer with vacancies. It's Mrs. Field. Here is the address. I can help you fill out the forms and your child can commence with the caregiver from the next Monday.
Mabuti kung ganyan. Makikipagkita ako kay Ginang Field. Babalik ako mamayang hapon para kumpletuhin ang mga forms. Maroon pa akong kailangan dalhin na dokumento?
Only your daughter's immunisation certificate from your GP.
Salamat sa mga impormasyon.